In this video, we'll be doing a detailed breakdown on how to trade cryptocurrencies on Binance. In this video, I'm focusing on how to trade futures trading on Binance, most especially. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. To my returning subscribers, welcome back. I love you. So before we proceed, let me do introduction. My name is Esther Oluwafemi, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online, like online business, personal finance and crypto. And if you want content like this, like valuable content like this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you find this video valuable or helpful, make sure you give me 1,000 likes for this video so that YouTube is going to push it out for people to learn from it. So let's dive into the video. And then I want to put you through what is a margin and leverage. But before you get started, make sure you have an account with Binance. And then if you are new to Binance or you are new to crypto and you want to get started, make sure you register on Binance first and make sure you are verified. And to do that, you can check the link in the description of this video to look for the link to register on Binance and start trading. So I'll make sure that this video is not long, and I just want you to know that the first thing is to have a Binance account. Like, the first thing is to have a Binance account and make sure that you are verified. So you can get started through the link in the description of this video, like I said earlier. So what is futures trading? What is futures trading? It is the method of speculating on the price of assets, including cryptocurrencies, which we are about to do now. And then it allows you to bet on a digital currencies futures price. And then futures trading is one of the most popular and convenient approaches to get exposed to cryptocurrency. Like, it is different from spot trading, or maybe when you are saving your money this time around. So it is very, very different. And then it is risky if you know how to play your games too. You can still win on futures trading. So if you want to get started, just make sure that you have USDT or any coin you want to get started with. And this is my Binance account currently. And then I'm in home. You see markets, then you see trades, then you see futures. This is where we are going to, and then you are going to see wallet. And this wallet deals with, like, we have different, let me just, like, we have different wallets. This is the, okay, sum total. If I click on overview now, you see that I have this particular amount of money here. And then under overview, which is the overall or the total money that I have in my wallet. So we have sports, we have funding, we have N, we have futures, then we have margin, and so, like, we have margin, which is the last one. And I think I have made a video on how to use N, how to save your money and start getting as an interest on it. I've already made videos on that. And then I have sports, then I have funding, then I have futures. This is where we want to focus on in this video. So if you are new to Binance, make sure you use P2P market, or to deposit money, to deposit USDT into your account. And if you don't know how to do that, let me know in the comment section to put you through how to get USDT or coin from P2P markets, to deposit it into your Binance account. And then after getting it, for instance, now I just got $50 before making this video. I just got $50 from P2P market. Then I can show you the order. Like, I just got it from P2P market. And then you can see this is 3:03 a.m. You can see this is 2:45 a.m. here, where when I got the $50. So to put you through how to use it trade on futures. So this is sports. Under sports, I don't have anything there in my wallet. Under funding, I have something there. I had $3 there, and then I just got $50, so making $53. So when you just buy USDT from P2P market, it will be under funding. So what I have to do is that, because I want to trade futures now, what you have to do is to transfer this funding to futures. You want to transfer this funding to futures, because you cannot use the money under funding or the money under sports to trade futures. So you have to transfer the money into futures. So this is what I'm going to do. Just click on transfer, and then You see, we have funding, we have sports wallet. So from funding, we want to transfer to futures. Just click on sports wallet, then click on USDM futures because we want to use USD dollars. Like we want to use the coin like USDT to trade futures. So I'm not going for coin because I'm not using a particular coin to trade on futures. So I'm going to click on USDSM futures. So we have Bitcoin here. So I want to change it to USDT because it is USDT I want to use to trade the cryptocurrencies. So if it is, let's say, like BTC or any other coin, you can choose that coin features, but it is USDT that I want to use to trade. So I'm going to click on USDT. Then I will click on max, or maybe let's say like $50 that I got, and I'm going to click on confirm transfer successful. So I won't have $50 under here again. I won't have $50 under funding. So the money is now in futures, under futures. I had $19 before. Now I added $50 to it, so making $140. So after doing this is the first thing you have to do, because if you don't do it this way, you cannot use the money under spot or under funding to trade on futures. So after getting to this point, and then you want to start trading. But futures trading is the type of trading that gives you enough leverage. Like that is one of the things that I love about futures trading. So if you know how to play your game very well, you will surely win here. And if you know how to train your mind to trade like a lioness, you can still win here. So you have to click on futures. You can see USD USD futures. That is what we want to use to trade. We have coin, so we did not choose coin. We are not using coin. You can see this one is different. If you click on USD now, you see this coin on file USDT. We are using USDT to trade this cryptocurrency. If it is coin, then you are using two coins to trade. You're using two coins to trade. So if I click on this now, you see that you cannot see USDT like that. You can see Ethereum, USD, Link, USD, like all these things there. They are just coins. But I'm not using coins because the most commonest futures trading signals is always used, like it is always with USDT, like to trade with USDT. So just click on USDT and then you see it. If I click on the coin, you will see it under perpetual. I'm going to see USDT because we want to use USDT to trade. So this is what we are using to trade on futures now. So what you have to do is, I want you to understand how this thing, like how it is like this, like how what all these things here means. So you can see we have buy, it is showing green, then we have sell. We have buy, we have sell. And then if you click on here, you will see isolated and cross. This is what you have to consider, or you have to learn before starting futures trading. When I started futures trading then, and then though I have a coach that is putting me through, and then when I just started, then like it was somehow to me, like I did not learn the basics. But what I know is that after trading everything, I lost some money, I made some money, I lost some money, I made some money. But what I realized under futures trading is you have to control your greed level. Like you don't have to be greedy, because money no dey finish for this market. Allow me to speak pidgin. Like money no dey finish for this market. If you can make 10% of your capital is enough, because no bank in Nigeria, I'm still saying it, no bank in Nigeria is going to give you 10% every day, or maybe let's say on your capital. It's not possible for me or for any bank in Nigeria to give you 10% of your money. Instead, we know how they used to do, they used to treat our money in our bank account. I don't want to say it here. So what you have to do is, we have isolated, and then we have cross. So this will let you to earn more, to lose more, if you know how to control it. But what you have to do is that you have to know how to cut your onions, because it is highly risky and profitable trade. But you must not gamble with it, because it is not a Ponzi scheme, and you must not gamble with it. You must know what you are doing before going into it. So if you don't know how to go about it, follow somebody that is into it and benefit from them, because it is very, very profitable and it's very, very risky. So you must not trade with one kind of chicken heart, like okay, it is showing green now. Okay, I'm making money. Oh, it is not showing red now. I'm losing money. Then you close your trade. It's not like that. You have to balance well. You have to lock your mind. You have to train your mind. You have to trade with the money you can afford to lose, so you will not lose everything. It is even advisable if you have your capital to trade, which it is showing your available balance $140 now. Like if you have the money to trade, make sure that you use like at least 10% of your money to trade futures, because money no dey finish. Appreciate every $1 that is coming into your wallet this time around, because I'm from Nigeria, and currently, like, uh USDT dollar now on Binance is close to 1,000 naira. At the time I'm making this video, it might go to 1.5. And appreciate that 1.5 that is coming to your wallet every day, or anytime you trade on futures. So always make sure that you know how to control your emotions when doing this. You need to have a sound technical analysis knowledge, and if you don't have that, make sure you have somebody you are working with who have that knowledge, like somebody who has knowledge to put you through, and then you start making money on futures trading. And one major difference between spot and futures trading is, under spot there is no leverage. Let me put it through. See, click on trade and then click on spot. See, under spot, you can just buy. This is USDT and the current price is 967. But on P2P market, it is around 978 or so. So it is increasing, it is decreasing. So under here now, you will see buy and sell. So if I want to buy USDT now, I'll just click here. If I want to buy it, if I want to buy NGN, which is Naira, I'll just click here. I'll just click here and start buying it. You see limit, market, stop limit, trailing stop, and OCO under sports trading. But we are not going there now, because you can just buy crypto on spot trading, hold this for maybe anytime you want to sell it, then come here and sell it. But on futures trading, is not like that. It is not like that. So when you come to futures trading now, then you are going to see a different thing, because here we have isolated and we have cross. Isolated and we have cross. Then you can see something here. We have 5 times. We have 5 times to 10 times, 1 times to 1x to 10x. At times you can see 50x, depending on the crypto, on the coin you are trading with. If I go for BTC now, you are going to see that it won't be 10x. Let me click on BTC USDT. Remember, we're using USDT now. So if I click on this, you are going to see that we have 25. You have 25. At times you can get to 100, you can get to 50, you can get to 200, depends. So as a newbie, like a beginner in crypto, make sure you stick to 5x, even 2x or 3x. No matter how big your capital is, if you are a newbie, make sure you stick to 2x or 5x. See, appreciate all the appreciate the percentage or the interest on your capital, like when trading futures trading. Don't think, okay, maybe others are doing 50x, they are doing 10, they are doing 30x, they are doing 70x, then you too want to do your 30x. See, if you get liquidated, like nobody is going to console you like that. Like, you have to console yourself. So trade with the amount of money you can afford to lose. So as a newbie, even if you are using $100 and maybe eventually you get 25% of that money you are trading with, if you are using 5x, or if you are using 4x, if you have 25%, that is $25. 25 times, let's say close to 1,000 naira now in Nigeria. It is 25,000 naira. Like, from that trade, appreciate that money. So don't think maybe because other people are using 50x, 70x, then you want to start. No, don't start like that, because see, in this market, money no dey finish. Money no dey finish. Just have that at the back of your mind, that money no dey finish. So you have to stick with the lowest leverage you can afford. Like, just start small, then start big. Start small, scale and grow. Start, scale and grow. Start taking your money, take your profit, save it up. That is how to make money on futures trade. But if you are planning to make your money in a single day, let's say like, okay, you're using like $100 to trade now, and then you want to use that $100 to make $2,000 per day on that single trade, you are going to lose that money. Let me put it that way. If you are not sure of what you are doing, or eventually like that trade might go another way that you didn't even plan it's supposed to go, then you are going to lose that money, because for you to use $100 you must have at least $1,000 in your wallet, like in your wallet to trade with $100. So make sure that you are managing that your risk. It is risk management. And if you want me to make videos on how I manage my risk when I'm trading on futures, I'm going to do that. Like, I'm going to put you through what I put into considerations to start trading on futures. So after that, then this is what you have to consider too. We have cross, then we have isolated. You see this cross, it means that if you have like $10 and then you want to trade with $1, that means that the remaining $9 in your account will be the one supporting your $1 that you are using to trade. Let's say that it means that the trades you enter will be secured or protected by that remaining $9. So it means that before you will be liquidated, the trade would have eaten up all your equity, like all your money. For instance, now let's say that I want to use cross now and I have $140 in my account. Let's say I am using $40 to trade. I'm on cross. The remaining $100 like will be the one safeguarding my $40. So if my $40 is going down, my $100 too there will be going down. It will be going down. But some people use cross, but as a newbie, stick to isolated. And the reason why I'm telling you to use isolated is because like for newbie, it is still okay for you to use isolated. If you use, let's say like you are trading with small amount of money now, even if it is huge capital, like as a newbie, still stick with isolated. So maybe over the years, then you can cross to using cross for your margin. But when you use isolated, it is the only $40 that I'm using to trade that will be increasing, that will be decreasing. If it is showing red, then I am losing money. If it is showing green, I am in profit. So like when I'm using isolated, it will not affect the remaining $100 if I'm using $40 to trade for that particular coin. So remember, after choosing it, then you are going to choose your leverage. So it's always on 5x, or maybe you want to go to 20 or so. And remember, the last trade you enter, let's say that you've already traded the coin now. Let's say you use $20, I'm sorry, 20x, which is 20 leverage, and then you now forgot to change it. It will be there. If I didn't bring that, okay, the last trade I entered, it is 20x. It will still be showing 20x. So make sure that you always check that your leverage and that your margin mode to change it to isolated first. If you want to enter that trade, change it to isolated from cross. If you cannot use cross, then reduce your leverage. So we have buy, then we have sell. What we do here is that we are buying and we are selling cryptocurrency. That's just it. We are not buying to hold for too long, but we are buying to make money from it. So it's just like we are betting on that currency. If it is going to go high, if it is going to go low, then we are going to buy or sell it. So remember, on that spot I click on here, we have limits, you can see this one is much. We have limits, we have post only, then we have markets, stop limit, stop market, trading stop, TWAP, and scaled order. So we have it here. And then if I want to enter this trade now, let me show you one particular trade signals to get familiar with what I am about to show you. So this is the notepad on my phone, and then we have this trading signal here. We have SCI saying long. Long means buy. Like long means buy. If you see short, then it should be sell. Like if it is like SCI short, then it is like sell. I know I told you like buy and sell. So if you have this green, they can show you green. Green means buy, and then green means buy, long means buy. And if you have short, it will have red here, or if you have sell, it will have red here. So we want to buy say when it is around this entry price and they want to start taking profits, like they can tell you can see one, or they can put TP1 or TP2 for that signal, TP2 or TP3. It means take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and take profit any amount. Maybe it later go up later, then you are still going to be in profit. So you can see here they put leverage 5x. You can decide to put 20x, or I don't know, it depends on how you want to make your money and how you want to get liquidated faster if the trade did not go well. So put 5x as a newbie, or 2 to manage that leverage 2 to 5x. Money no dey finish, just know that one. Money no dey, manage your capital, manage that risk. So we have stay long, we have leverage, then we have entry. They gave us entry here, so you have to set your entry. If it is around this entry price, this is the price according to the market, then this is the, or maybe they just give you this entry, so you are going to set it that when it get to this price, then you start buying, like it will start when it start going up, then you start making your money. You can see that this entry price is lower than your take profit. That is buy. Your entry price for long or buy is always lower than the take profit. Just know that it's always lower than the take profit. So you buy when it is low, then you close your trade when the price is now high. So we have 0.1215, then which is the entry, or maybe if it is lower than that, you can still buy. If it is lower than that, you still be in more profit than others that use this entry price to enter that trade. So once you once you set this trade, then you are going to set your TP, your take profit, and then you are going to make profit from it. And you can see your stop loss. Always have your stop loss, because if this trade is this stop loss, then you're out of the trade. It's still better, because that means that the trade did not go the way we plan it. So the way we forecasted, let me put it that way. So if you have your stop loss 0.11, if you set it there, it will not eat up your capital, but always make sure you trade with stop loss, because that trade can go to another way, and then you lose your money. That is why I said that if it is risky and it is profitable too. So let's go to Binance. So I'm now on Binance. What I have to do is just click on BTC USDT here to choose or to search for a particular coin we want to get. See, I've already, so this is say USDT, or just search for it. So it is going down now. Let me see the price. Okay, 1215 is already 1259. So let's see that had it been it is like we want to go for that trade, I will be in profit now. So this is limits. If you want to set it, like if you want to set it around that price, around this price 1215, you want to set it around this price, so you just be like you set your limit 1215. You enter the amount is the want to, you see it here, it is going, it is $70. If it is $35 that I want to use, I'm going to put it here. Remember, it is still isolated. The last time I traded this particular coin, it is isolated. I use always stick with isolated. So it is 0.125, and then they gave us stop loss 0.118 something. Let me check. I think 84. So 84. So then I gave us take profit 0.1300. So take profit is 0.01300. 0.1300. Okay, but I think this particular coin did well. This trade did well, because later went to around 1.15 later, after I earned like $70 or so from this particular coin when I traded it last week. So this is how you enter your buy trading signal under futures. So you are going to, after that, you just click on buy long. So when this price go down and it hits this 0.125, it will start trading. So once it is going up, like when it get to this 1.300, or you notice the TP3, like take profit 3, like from here, if it get to 1 to 60, it is around 1 to 60 now. Let's say that I bought it when it was around 1 to 51. Then around this price now, it has already hit TP1. So I will still wait till it gets to 1.300. That means that I will still make more profit. When it gets to TP2, if I still want to make more money, I will just be adjusting it. So if you want me to make videos on how to do that, I will still do that for you. But I just want to teach you the basic things that you need to know when trading futures trading. So if it is sell option is always different. You buy it when it is low, then you take profit when it is sell. This it is when you to let's say like you buy you sell, like you and sell it when the price is reduced. So let's say like it's 1260 or 1215. So when this thing is 1215, I will still make more money. But this TP stop loss, like it will be above this limit price here. So let's say 0.1400. Maybe when the price hits 1.400, that is where I set my stop loss to. So I'm going to lose money. But when it is around this price, when the thing short, like when the thing gets to this 0.125, I'm going to make money. That is how you trade on futures. So I want to explain one thing again. We have limit and market. You see limit, you see that I set the price myself. Like I will set the price myself when the let's say that when the price get to this particular amount, then it is going to start trading by itself. But when it is market, if I click on this and I click on market, it is going to buy at this current price. That is when it is going to buy. But if it is like it is limits, I'll be the one to set the price myself. That okay, when this thing is this price, so then I'm going to start trading. You can even set it, then just come back later to check and then see if you are in profit or you are in, like it is showing red. Like if you are in profit, it will be showing red. But so if you are in profit, it is showing green. And if you are in this thing in loss, it will be showing red. But make sure that you always have your stop loss. So when the thing hits your stop loss, then it will not eat up your capital. It won't eat up your capital, your whole capital. No, it's only eat up. But make sure that you are trading with stop loss. So if you want to join our Telegram channel, like if you have not joined our Telegram channel for trading signals, do well to look around the description of this video to click the link to join us. And then make sure that you are managing your leverage. See, that leverage is very, very important. If you are a newbie, make sure you stick to 2 to 5x till you build up your capital. Then start making sure that like you are building that confidence to trade on futures. But it is very, very profitable if you know how to cut your onions. So, and if you are yet to join our Telegram channel, you can do that and join us wherever you are in the world. You can join us to get free signals to trade, but it won't be every time though. But my next video, if you want me to make videos on how to use percentage to take your profit, or you want me to make more videos on crypto, just let me know in the comment section. So now that you've seen the video, I hope you got value. Like I hope you really got value. So what you have to do is just start now. I'm rooting for you. I want you to root for yourself this time around. So start now and start making money for yourself. And if you want to join my free crypto signals room, like free, if you want to get free signals to trade on futures, do what to click on the link in the description of this video. It is going to lead you to my Telegram channel where I drop signals for futures and start trading for yourself. And I hope you find it helpful. I'll be dropping free signals for futures trading for you to trade and make some cool cash for yourself. So if you find this video helpful, please give me a like and also share this video for anybody that needs it. Yes, for anybody that needs to see it. And also, if you want me to do any video relating to cryptos, and if you want to learn anything about crypto, make sure you drop it in the comment section for me to work on it and also bring it here for you to learn. So thank you for supporting me. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.